To transfer the pattern, we'll be using a fine-tip heat erasable pen. The original one is the Friction pen by Pilot, but you can find other designs of heat erasable pens like this cute animal one. And here's why they're great for embroidering. You can draw with the pen on the fabric, and once the ink is exposed to heat, from an iron or blow dryer, it will disappear. Heat erasable pens work best on light fabrics, so if you want to use it on a darker fabric, always test it first to see if it disappears completely. I'll be tracing the embroidery design from a tablet. I'm using an app called Artist Lightbox that allows you to lock the screen so the outline doesn't move around while you trace it. I'm using a fine-tip heat erasable pen to trace the design. I'm drawing on the inner side of the fabric because it's much easier to draw on the fabric this way. Use short strokes to transfer the design with precision and make sure that you don't move the hoop around as you trace. Take your time and try to be precise when you transfer the design. And that's what the transfer design looks like. If you don't have a tablet, you can print out the design, cut it out, and secure it to the fabric using tape. This way the paper with the outline won't move around as you trace the design. My embroidery kits come with the pattern printed on a sticker, so you can just peel off the back and stick the sticker at the back of the fabric. If the fabric is thin enough, you can transfer the design to the fabric without any additional light source. If the outlines are hard to see, you can put the fabric against the window and trace the design using natural light as a light source.